Oh, hello and welcome my friends. In this video, today's video might be a bit pathetic. Why is that? Well, actually, because I will be talking about electric bikes. And to be precise, I will be talking why the electric bikes are so bad. And I don't even mean the engine, because that's pretty obvious, isn't it? I will be talking about the look of those bikes, because they look like... However, my friends, I will tell you also how to make those bikes look better, because they can be eventually better. That's not easy, but it's doable. So stay with me and I will tell you exactly that. Yeah, that's better. So let's jump to my computer, which is there. I will just look at my screen and I will tell you exactly what do I think. Yeah, okay. Okay. So, here we are. What do we have here? You know what the problem really is with those bikes? The problem is that they don't look like bikes. They look like a fridge with wheels or vacuum cleaner with wheels. Yeah. So, dear manufacturers, if you are going to build a bike and you want to sell it to the bikers, just make that bloody thing look like a motorcycle first. Not like a fridge. No, I don't want to buy a fridge. Seriously. My wife does, though, but she's not into bikes, really. She's not. And if she would, she wouldn't buy a fridge with wheels. I'm telling you that. That's for certain. But you know what? Actually, it's not that just the modern bikes are so ugly. Well, sometimes designers have got some issues. I will show you some bikes. Just look at that. Yeah, that's a vacuum cleaner. Hold on, let me show you something else. But then we've got another bikes like... that's a upper disaster, my friends. Okay, never mind. But you know what? It is possible that motorcycles will look like motorcycles. Even the electric ones. And I will show you some examples. Okay, let's take a look at that. New Zero motorcycle. Yeah, well, it's still got a fridge in the middle of... yeah, up there. I mean, here. Yes, but at least this one looks like a motorcycle. It's okay. I don't like it because it's not my kind of bike. But yeah, if I would be into sports bikes, I think I would enjoy this one. Look at that one. I know, it's a Harley. And you know what? So far, through all those new electric bikes, that one looks the best. I mean, yeah, just look at that. Yes, of course, there is still fridge. Yeah, there, yeah, here. Or maybe that's a huge radiator. I don't know what is it, but it looks a bit nasty. However, that's the best looking electric motorcycle so far. Those bikes, I mean Harley and that New Zero, they look like motorcycles, but it's still some sort of fridge. There is a bit of fridge inside, yeah? I showed you that. So let me show you some other bike which finally looks like a motorcycle. Look at that. See? That's a new Triumph. And you know what? I'm not the biggest Triumph fan ever, possibly. However, I need to admit that this thing looks really good. This thing, my friends, is a motorcycle. That's the way to go. Except it's a sports bike. And I don't want a sports bike. So let's find a solution for that. I looked deeper into something which is more like a classic motorcycles. I tried to find something which will be electric, but which will look like a proper old school motorcycle. And you know what? This is not good. This is not looking good. This is not promising. I've got it there, and this is wrong. You ready for that? Okay. So look. Yeah, simple motorcycle, but what's that number one thing? What is that? No, it's a fridge in the middle of classic bike. Okay, another one. Jesus, what is that? What's that? I'm going to cry. Kill me, please. It's so wrong in every aspect. I don't know what to say. Okay. And this, well, this is Russian. Never buy anything Russian. Yeah. Okay, another one. What is that? No. Just no. You know what? I can't take it anymore. But what if we would, instead of that fridge in the middle of classic bike, what if we would produce something which will look like the engine? I've got something like that here. And no, it still looks like a fridge. It's a tiny bit better, I would say, but not by much. No. If someone would make it look like an engine itself, then maybe it would be a good idea. For now, no. Still no. However, my friends, there is another option. Because why the hell those people are not using, those people, designers, why they are not using the fairing? You can cover everything with fairing, and if the fairing looks good, then it would be all good, right? Of course, not all the fairing looks good. Some people would probably hate me for that, and they would say that's a brilliant bike. No, it's not. I love Vincent's, but this one looks like... Yeah, so... Yeah, don't worry, designers. Disasters are happening all the time, so... Yes, but my friends, sometimes the design can be really good. And the fairings are the thing of the future, because you can cover everything. And if the design is good, then it will be good. The old Velo said, that's a gorgeous bike, just look at that. And yeah, obviously there is a pipe and there is a bit of gearbox and carburetor, but except that, it could be anything. You can hide a fridge down there, right? Well, that could easily be an electric bike, right? Okay. Look at that. It's gorgeous, this one. It's a brilliant bike. See? The BSA. Fantastic as well. Look at that. Amazing. With a fridge. There is a fridge. How do you know it's not a fridge up there? Because you can see an exhaust. Yes. And something slightly more modern. And straight away, not as good looking. And yes, this one is brilliant as well. And that one and that one, and also that one. So, my friends, as you can see, this is the way to go. Just cover the bloody fridge. Designers, remember, cover the bloody fridge. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, subscribe and all that nonsense.